Greetings and welcome to our final chapter, our final week meeting as a class, Intro to Law Enforcement. It's been a fun class. Thank you. I think it's gone well. This last chapter, we're still talking about kind of special issues, kind of things outside the usual norm. And we're going to talk about terrorism this week. We're going to talk a lot about homegrown terrorism as opposed to that from afar, in addition to that from afar. We're going to talk a lot about the Patriot Act. Your standard run-of-the-mill driving around on patrol police officer has a lot to do with fighting terrorism. You'll find in this chapter that we've asked a lot of help from the public, especially private security, to help guard against terrorism. So we're going to look at a couple of newspaper articles on some homegrown Alaskan terrorists and what to do about it. This is our last week. Next week is finals. The final will be very, very similar to the midterm. Open book, true, false, multiple choice, covering the last half of the chapters we've done since the midterm. I'll turn the final on over the weekend, and you'll have a week to get it done. You've got till Friday midnight. You shouldn't have any issues at all with it. If you're missing some homework from the past, this week and next week would be a good time to get that in. If you look in the syllabus, you can see how many points equals what kind of a grade, and if you're not quite the grade level you want to be at, and you're missing a couple of papers or something, now's the time to get them in. I'll take your papers. But next week, we're all done. Again, thank you for this first class in our first semester. I hope to see a lot of you, I'm hoping, next semester. Registration is open. So, any questions, be sure to give me a shout. I'll probably open up a discussion board link next week just for the heck of it, just in case there's something you want to say. Certainly not required, but I know I check the discussion board every day to see what's going on, and sometimes you just bump into something that you want to share, so I'll throw one of those out. So if you need anything, give me a shout. Let's go read about terrorism and the Patriot Act, and I'll see you in class.